8 is 40% of what number? So if we write this question out mathematically, we get that 8 equals 40% times x. Now the next step would be to isolate x and divide both sides by 40%. However, dividing by a percentage can be a little bit difficult for us to do without a calculator, so at this point, we're going to convert to a fraction. Now, generally, we recommend that you know how to convert common percentages into fractions for this test so that you can do that part quickly and move on to the other parts of the question. But in case you don't remember or forget how to do that, also converting from a percentage to a fraction can usually be pretty easy. So 40% is otherwise known as 40 out of 100. And now we're going to take out the largest common factor from our numerator and our denominator, which here is going to be 20. So that equals 20 times 2 over 20 times 5. Now the 20s get canceled because it's just 1, and we're left with 2/5. So 8 equals 2/5 times x. So now we need to divide both sides by 2/5, which also might seem a little bit complicated, but actually to divide fractions, all we need to do is just multiply by the reciprocal, which here is 5 over 2. And we're going to multiply both sides by 5 over 2. Now, 2 divided by 5 times 5 divided by 2 cancels out because it becomes 1. So now we're doing 8 times 5, which is 40, divided by 2 equals x. So that means that 20 equals x, and 20 is going to be the correct answer for this question.